Hello friends, welcome to my channel Science for Agri Course. Are you a beginner in research? Then this video is definitely for you. This video is all about the types of scientific articles usually published in a journal. Watch the video till the end to get benefited. So let's get started with today's video. If you are an early researcher, then definitely you would have a question in your mind of why should we write and publish scientific articles. We usually write the scientific articles to express our research in a clear and concise manner. Before writing a scientific article, it is important to know the characteristics of good scientific writing. Always the scientific article should have simple language. It should be very clear. Try to avoid the unproven results and assumptions. Always the paragraphs in the article should be interconnected. And the most important point while writing the scientific article is stick seriously to the topic. Avoid unnecessary information. So now let's discuss about the types of scientific articles. The first one among them is original research article, or sometimes it is simply referred as an article in scientific terms. This is the most common type of article published in journals. Original research article is usually divided into sections like introduction, methods or approach, results, discussion, references, tables and figures. These articles usually describe the research the author has taken up, the methods he or she has followed during the research, the results obtained from the study, and the scope of future research in that area of specialization. The format of preparing the manuscript usually varies from journal to journal. The second type of scientific article is review article. Usually journals invite the researchers to write a review. It is like the summary of the selected topic. It includes the historical developments of the current topic in a certain field. By referring to the research that has taken place in that current topic, the author usually gives information about the developments that happened in the field recently. It highlights the gaps and limitations of that research in that topic as well as the scope of new research in that topic. Let's discuss the third type of scientific article, short or brief communications. Usually, the length of the short communication is restricted in comparison to the original research article. Short communication should be of limited words, and the main body of the short communication is not divided into subsections. They enjoy rapid publication in comparison to the original research articles. Usually, a part of research which is not published till date is published in the short communication. The tables or figures should be less in the short communication. Now let's discuss the next type, that is case studies. Case study is based on in-depth investigation of a topic, event, group or a single individual to explore the cause of underlying principle. It is most common in research of social sciences and medical sciences. The next type of scientific article is popular article. These are usually the articles written to the newspaper or a magazine. These articles usually discuss the current problems related to the topic chosen. The last one is the book reviews. These are usually written to the editor after reading a recently published book. Thanks for watching the video. If you find the video to be useful, like the video, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel Science for Agri Course. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook at Science for Agri Course.